Hey dudes, it's Love. I have a new video for you, and this video is going to be another pack with me video because this time I am going home for Christmas and New Year's break. We get like a week and a half break to go home, and we have to be back for work I think on the 2nd or the 3rd. I'm not actually sure, but I'm leaving tomorrow morning, which is Wednesday morning at 10 a.m. because today, which is Tuesday when I'm filming this, is my last day of duty. So I'm on duty tonight until 7 a.m. and then in the morning on Wednesday I'm just gonna put the duty bag in the office and I'm gonna dip out of here because I want to go home. All of my family is already home, sisters, brothers, mom, dad, and I'm the only one who's okay. So if I didn't say this already, this is a Vlogmas day 23 when you guys are seeing this, but yeah, let's pack for me to go home. Also, if you have not seen my face before, hey, my name is Love. Now I'd love if you guys will stick around and subscribe down below to join the fam. We are super chill and fun over here, and the videos just keep getting better. So yeah, we're gonna start packing. I already have the TV queued up with other people's Vlogmas on YouTube, and I have nothing else to do tonight, so why not pack? So that's what we're gonna do. Alright, let's get into it. Last time I went home was for Thanksgiving break, and I brought home a giant suitcase, which was a mistake because I wore like the same outfit for all 5 days I was there. So this time I'm bringing my giant duffel bag instead because we're not going to be stupid, we're going to be smart. I also have my packing cubes just in case, but this just keeps my clothes a lot nicely neater, organized. So I'm going to pack individual outfits in here, and then I'm going to pack like underwear and socks and bras and shit in another one. Then I have some shoe bags, so I'm going to stick my boots in the giant one, and then there's a smaller one in here. I'm going to probably stick like smaller slip-on shoes in here. And then I have these two beanies. These are actually part of my mom's Christmas present, so I have to take them home with me. So yeah, so my closet is like split into two halves. This half of my closet is like all of my newer clothes. These are like short sleeves and some pullovers I wear like daily. But these are like the nicer clothes. So I'm going to go through these and pick out two outfits, one for Christmas and one for New Year's. And then I'm going to go through all of my other comfy clothes and sweatpants and see what I want to take home. I know I want to bring home most likely all of these, my Crocs, my slip-ons, my boots. Then here's my jackets, and like I have other boots up here and Uggs and stuff like that, but those aren't coming with me. And then I have sneakers, those aren't coming with me, but I have other jackets and stuff. Probably won't be bringing these. I know I definitely want to bring these because I didn't get to wear them for Thanksgiving, so I'm going to wear them for Christmas. And this, they're just going to get packed inside of this along with these black boots. So these are both going to get, look how dusty these are. Oh my god, this just shows I have not worn these since fall, guys. That's not cute, but they're both gonna go inside of here. Alright, so I have picked out all the clothes I think I'm gonna need. I only bought 3 bottoms, 3 tops, and then the 2 outfits for New Year's and Thanksgiving, love, for New Year's and for Christmas. So we're about to pack all these up. So I packed like 2 bras, two tank tops, 2 pairs of pajamas, and a bunch of underwear and socks in here. And I'm kind of surprised it all fit in this tiny little cube. But the rest of the packing I can't do yet because in here is like the little thing for toiletries, and I can't put my toiletries in here yet because I still need to shower tonight. And then in here I can put like, I completely actually forgot to use this, so I don't know what's gonna go in here, but we'll see if I end up needing it or not. Maybe I'll just save this for like dirty clothes while I'm at home. Alright, so I just got out the shower and I moisturized, I did my skincare routine, I brushed my teeth, all that jazz, and I packed all my toiletries. And now I'm gonna put this little toiletry bag, y'all just saw me pack it, I'm gonna put this inside of my duffel bag along with all the other stuff I've already packed. Last thing I really need to do tonight is to wash my dishes and throw away the trash. Since I'm going to be gone for longer than a week, I don't keep trash laying around in my room, and the dishes can get washed since I'm not going to be eating anything else tonight, and I'm not going to be here long enough in the morning to eat something either. So that's the plan. But basically all of the packing is done. I already have my outfit set out for tomorrow, and I think that's it. Yeah, just need an outfit for tomorrow, and I have the shoes I want to wear already out and everything like that. So we're gonna hurry up and do the rest of the stuff, and then I will come back when it's time to end the vlog. Alright y'all, so real quickly I just wanted to come on camera to end the vlog. It's like almost 3 a.m. now, and it's about time for me to start wrapping things up. So I just took out the trash and I washed the dishes, and everything is packed and ready to go for tomorrow. Only thing I have to do in the morning is probably pack my backpack, which I most likely will end up doing tonight anyways, so that I don't have to worry about it in the morning. I'm actually going to be up editing this vlog to make sure it goes up on time on the 23rd, but that doesn't matter by the time you're seeing this. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give me a huge thumbs up letting me know you liked it. Also comment down below any video requests for the new year, because Vlogmas is over in the next 2 days, guys. Like, it's coming so fast. So let me know what you guys want me to see so I can start planning videos in the new year. And that is pretty much it. I love you guys all so very much. Make sure to subscribe down below. Peace, dudes. Just see those sleigh bells jingle and ring, tingle, tingle.